how to share screen in Microsoft Teams. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser, and then on the search bar, of course, just search for Microsoft Teams. So we're going to use the browser version of Microsoft Teams right there to present our screen. So what we're going to do is to, of course, click on the sign in Microsoft Teams right there, and then click on sign in. After that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. After that, once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on this part, and then on this part, you will see this Meet Now. So we're going to click on that, and then in this name, just name your meeting right there. So I will just leave it as it is. And then if you want to share the link, click this one, and then make sure to copy it, which is right there, and then click Start Meeting. After that, make sure that you allow your microphone and then of course your cameras. And then after that, once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see this share screen. So once you click share screen right there, you will see this share content, which you can share your screen, your window, or your tab. So once you click that, this will pop up. So in this part on the Microsoft Edge tab, you will have an option to only share your tab, which is right here. And then after that, let's say for example, you want to share a window. So all you have to do is to click on window right there. So you can check it right there. Or if you want to share an entire screen, you can click that. And then if you want to share your system audio, all you have to do is to turn that on. However, if you don't want to share it, of course, all you have to do is to turn that off. So let's say for example that we want to share our entire screen. So after that, once we are now done with this, just click on share screen right there. And then after that, just click on allow on the upper left corner of the screen. And then as you can see, we are now sharing our screen. So if you want to stop sharing, all you have to do is to click the stop sharing button right there, or in this part, which is right there. Once you do that, your screen will now be removed from the Meet. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to share screen on Teams.